Nowadays, oceans, rivers, seas, all different sources of water are often polluted by what exactly? By oil pollution. So, how do we really solve this problem?
How does plastic pollution happen really? It is because the irresponsibility of industrial sites and cargo ships that dump oil into the water illegally.
Using the SDG number 14, we provide water resources especially for marine life.
These are the materials that we use. First, we have polyurethane sponge, beeswax, iron oxide powder, graphite powder, and lastly, silicone spray. Now let's start our experiment.
Now the ingredients are measured in their own ratios and the water is also boiling. So now let's melt the beeswax until it is melted. Now that the beeswax is melted, let's pour our ingredients. Now let's stir it up until it is evenly stirred. Now the mixture is cooled down a bit, so it's time for us to dip our sponge. Make sure every coat of the sponge is layered properly. Now that we have coated the sponge, let's press the excess solution so that it will not disrupt our experiment.
Sponge is coated, let's dry it under the sun.
After waiting for a long time, the sponge has finally dried. Now, it is time for us to coat the sponge with silicone spray. Now, we wait a bit for the silicone spray to dry. The sponge has dried. We can finally use it for our product.
This test is conducted to determine the flexibility of our product in returning into its origin form. Once it is compressed, we will perform this test 5 times to assess the durability of the sponge. According to ASTM 087015, we want to test the water resistance of coatings. First, we place the sponge in the water for 24 hours. As you can see, the sponge indicates resistance to corrosion. According to ASTM F72612, we will now test the solvent performance of absorbent to determine the effectiveness in absorbing oil.
So, the conclusion is our product, the Superoleophilic polyurethane sponge, can help us to save the environment because it can absorb oil. So, our water resources can be used for humans, companies, or animals. So, if you use it, you can reuse it. And if we use it, we can use it. And the best part is,
All the material used is hydrophobic and oleophilic.
wow!